Hi there. So now you're probably saying to yourself, okay, this idea and platform is great, but how can I get the best out of Trip.com and find the best packages? This is what I'm going to show you in this video. First thing that you want to do is to insert your inputs in order to start looking for packages. Put your city of departure, tell us how many people are going on this trip. If you don't have a specific date in mind, simply leave it at any time. But if you do have a specific date range, you can enter that range. Now click Create Trips. After this, you will land on our packages page. When you're here, our algorithm will present you with the trips that it thinks would best suit you considering your location. At first, it will present you with different sorts of trips. We recommend browsing through all of them, and if you're still unhappy with the packages it showed you, give it a little refresh, as this will allow our algorithm to search for even more packages. Let's just say that there isn't a package that was to your liking or that didn't include the city that you wanted to visit. This little button here is the filter button, where you'll be able to give us more inputs in what you would like exactly. Over here, you can have control over the duration of the trip that you desire, indicate certain locations that you'd like to visit, control the cost of the trip, and much more. Let's just say that I desperately want a package that takes me to Paris, and that I've been saving up for quite a while, so I can afford a standard budget trip. By doing this, the algorithm will only start to show me packages that correspond to my filters, as you can see here. Personally, I like this package a lot, so let's click on it to see what appears. Over here, you have the whole itinerary of the trip in detail, and it also shows you what it will look like on the map. You also have the possibility to add accommodation to the package using the Modify button. Simply tick the Include Accommodation button and you will be all set. So when you're happy with the package, simply click Purchase Package to go to the checkout page and to make your reservation. After completing the checkout page and successfully paying for the package, you will receive a first email confirming that we've received your order and that we will send you your reservation soon. This process should not take more than 3 hours. You will then receive the second email with the package that you ordered and all of the information that you need. And this is how you can get the best out of our platform and our very smart and performing algorithm.